What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got something different for you today. We're going to be installing an XPipe resonator delete on a 2024 Mustang GT. That's good. Alright, so today we're going to be working on my friend's car actually. He wants to do a resonator delete, put this XPipe on. It's a pretty simple install. Basically all you're going to need is a reciprocating saw or a sawzall with a metal blade, your XPipe, and then I think we're going to need a couple different size sockets, but I don't know what we need yet, so I'll show you that when we get in there. So the first step is going to be jacking up the car. And we're going to get under. I'm going to do the cuts under the car. There's a couple ways you could do this. You could take the factory exhaust off from the cat back, or you can leave it on. I think leaving it on is a little bit easier if you're comfortable cutting under the car. So that's the way we're going to do it today. We're going to catch some exhaust clips for you guys. We're going to get some cold start and some revs with the, this one has the active exhaust, so we'll do it with the valves closed and with the valves open. And then after the install, we'll show you what it sounds like with the XPipe too. So let's get the car jacked up. That's good. All right, so change of plans. I wasn't too comfortable jacking the car up just here in the driveway, so we then put it on a ramp. So we actually pulled basically the exhaust from the cat back out of the car. Really easy for these Mustangs. You will look up here by the resonator. It's actually got clamps on it, so I think that was Ford's solution to having all these different exhaust options for the Mustang. So the factory exhaust was not one long piece, it was actually clamped on. So if you look where the XPipe goes, that's basically going to replace that right there. So that's just going to get rid of the resonator and then continue on to each of the active exhaust mufflers. So now that we got it out of the car, I'm going to do the cutout here. I'm going to draw my line and then line it up to where it should be on the clamp, and we will make our cut. Let me double check my measurements.
Check it like 5 times.
Yeah. Okay. Tight. Good catch. All right. Good. Slide, 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 slide.
I don't think that's doing anything.
Okay. Okay. All right, so cuts did line up pretty good. So as you can see, got the XPipe in place where the resonator was with our new clamps on there. So I've got everything loosely tightened together. And what we're going to do now is get the exhaust back up under the car, fit the XPipe back to the stock exhaust where the resonator was, and then we're going to get these pipes back in the hangers, which is going to be kind of a pain in the butt. But once it's all in, then we'll go in and make sure the lines are, everything's lined up how we want it, so there's not like one exhaust at an angle and the other straight. And then we'll tighten everything back down, and then we'll show you guys what it sounds like. So let's get it back up under the car.
Coffee?
All right, so we are all put back together. We're gonna do our first start up here. So I've got the mic on me, a little bit far away because I think it's gonna be loud. So let's see. right, so that was the install of the XPipe on the 2024 Mustang GT. Wasn't too bad. 2 guys and like some ramps is definitely all you need. I will say that those clamps, the factory, what, bro?
You gave me a weird look because I was resting my arm on it.
The factory clamp that's on the resonator is a 13 millimeter, and then if you get this, the pipes, XPipe, it's 15 millimeters for the new clamp. So those are really the only size sockets you need. The only other thing we had to remove was right by the exhaust. There's a little belly pan. It was I think it was 7 millimeter and 10 millimeter just hex head screws. And then of course you got to unplug your clips to your active exhaust if you have that on yours. So really easy install. But yeah, maybe I'll get a couple shots of it rolling if we have some time after. So thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Peace.